Aloha everyone! I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mummies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint. In this tutorial, we will be working on this lovely chest of drawer that we found it on somebody's driveway.
and the owner was planning to take it to the tip, but we were the right sister at the right moment. So yeah, we took it home and saved it.
So stay with us if you want to see how we transformed it into a neutral piece with boho vibes.
Let's do it!
Let's do it!
Let's do it! I sanded the whole piece to bare wood with an 80 grit to get rid of the old varnish. At the end, I switched to a 240 grit sandpaper to smooth out the wood. After sanding, I gave this piece a good clean with white lightening, which is Dixie Belle's furniture cleaner, and I rubbed it with an abrasive cloth. Then I rinsed the piece twice with clean water to get rid of any leftover solution. I also cleaned the handles with white lightening and rubbed them really well with a toothbrush.
We are going for a neutral boho look, so we used the new Voodoo gel stain from Dixie Belle called Au Naturel, and we applied it with a synthetic brush on the whole piece, less on the top. One coat was enough, as we wanted to give just a tint while still leaving the wood to peek through. I applied it straight on the brush and just spread it well using side, horizontal, vertical motions, then side motions again until the brush strokes went away, and so the product was spread equally.
By the way, all the products used are listed in the description below. On the handles, we also applied gel stain, then slightly wiped it, and it's stunning and also matching better with the piece. And then we sealed it with gator hide. We applied 3 coats, leaving 2 hours in between the layers.
We let it dry for 2 hours, and then I applied clear wax all over the piece using circular motions, including the top. and look at the difference with and without the wax.
We left the wax to set for about 15-20 minutes and then we wipe the excess with a cloth.
On the drawer side, we applied the new stencil called Safari, and we used the zebra pattern. Absolutely love this concept of this stencil. I used Le Petit brush and brown wax from Dixie Belle, and I went over the stencil and ta-da! Safari vibes!
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you all liked it.
And we hope you get inspired by it in any way. And if you did so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more furniture tutorials.
Even if you didn't like it, please still subscribe. Maybe you will like the next one.
Yes,
Who knows?
Exactly. Never knows. See you next time.